हेलो बच्चों, एक बार फिर आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर स्वागत है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हीट का एक नया क्वेश्चन। एंड दिस क्वेश्चन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर क्लास 11th एज वेल एज क्लास 12th। बेसिकली दिस क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड टू क्लास 11th। मिक्सचर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन एंड द कॉन्सेप्ट इज बेस्ड ऑन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कैलोरीमेट्री। सो नाउ स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट सी व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन. So what is the question? The temperature of equal masses of three different liquids A, B and C are 12, 19 and 20 degrees Celsius. When A and B are mixed, temperature is 16. When B and C are mixed, it is 23 degrees Celsius. So what will be the temperature when A and C are mixed? So it is very simple question based on principle of calorimetry. So how to solve? Let us start. So we have three different liquids. It means specific heat is different. So we have three liquids A, B and C. So suppose that for A, B and C, initial temperature is 12 degrees Celsius, 19 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius. Specific heat SA for this SB and for this SC. So start with when A and B are mixed. चलो A और B को मिक्स करते हैं. क्या कह रहा है? मिक्सचर टेम्परेचर इज 16 डिग्री सेल्सियस. So mixed temperature is 16 degrees Celsius. You know the concept ms delta T for heat amount. So start. M is same. Specific heat SA. Temperature 16 minus 12. This is a mixture temperature and initial temperature is 12. This will equal to M multiplied by SB and multiplied by 19 minus 16. Temperature of B initially is 19. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. M and M कैंसिल. SA into 4 is equal to SB into 3. It means value of SA is equal to 3 by 4 SB. When A and B are mixed, then specific heat of A is 3 by 4 of specific heat of B. So now start. When B and C are mixed, तो चलिए B और C को मिक्स कर देते हैं. सेम फार्मूला, मास इज सेम, इक्वल मास इज टेकन, SB and this time mixture temperature is 23 and initial temperature of C is 28. So means 23 and minus 19 equals M, specific heat SC and mixture temperature is 23, so it is 28 minus 23 because initial temperature of C is 28. Same formula, M from both side will be cancelled. So SB into 23 minus 19, it is 4 equals SC, it is 5. So value of SC in terms of SB is 4 upon 5 of SB. So this is specific of SC in terms of SB. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं और देखते हैं कि what is required. The required question is when A and C are mixed, what will be the temperature? So when A and C mixed, when A and C mixed, temperature is T and it is required. जब A और C को मिक्स किया गया तो मिक्सचर का टेम्परेचर है T और यही रिक्वायरमेंट है कि we need to find the temperature of C. So how to start? A and C are mixed. So mixture temperature is T. So A and C are mixed. So M same SA mixture temperature T. So T minus 12 and it is M SC and here C is 28. So mixture temperature will be 28 minus T. Calculate M from both side cancel. अब आपको क्या करना है, SA और SC दोनों की वैल्यू SB के फॉर्म में पुट करनी है. तो SA मीन्स 3/4 SB. So 3/4 SB and now T minus 12 SC. इसकी वैल्यू प्लेस करिए SB के फॉर्म में 4/5 SB. So 4/5 SB and it is 28 minus T. So SB and SB both side cancel. 15. Here T minus 12 and here is 4 4 just 16 and 28 minus T. Multiply 15T minus 180. 15 multiplied by 12, 180 is equal to 16 multiplied by 28 minus 16T. Change this side, 15T and plus 16T. So 15T plus 16T is equal to 180 plus 16 into 28. So what is the value of T? 180 plus 16 into 28 and divided by 31. Now you can easily calculate this, and after the calculation answer will be 20.3 degrees Celsius. This is temperature of mixture when A and C are mixed. So this is important question for class 11th, also for class 10th. So वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, और अगर आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन की क्वेरी है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए. I will provide the solution of that question. Thanks.